In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add content from a Word file to an editor in WordPress. For this functionality, we'll be using a plugin. As you can see, we're going to use this plugin for this tutorial. The plugin's name is mammoth.docx converter. You can simply download the plugin from here. Once downloaded, let's move back to the WordPress admin dashboard and hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Now simply click on the Upload plugin and upload the plugin file here. Once done, click on Install Now. When installed, click on Activate. Now let's hover over Posts and click on Add New Posts. You can see the plugin adds this button over here. You can simply browse your Word file here. You can see the preview. And once done, click on Insert into Editor. You can see this is how easy it is. This is all about how to add content from a Word file to an editor in WordPress. Now, in case you want to learn how to create a download link, then you can learn that as well. I've linked the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.